Kaleniam beden klam kabasisian cisnem kabla penlong daga senra juai ha adnar kalakut no aksi balang jeng ketoyo ha kejing ipo iping ha kaba digi hajar ngut kle shimpenta ha kene kejing lek kemen ki khon kari jantia. Kaleniam beden klam kelas sedang ha kalai potrek ujeliau arajar arpusau bad kalakut no ha kalai terek unaitung arajar arpusau. Hagaba ki khon kan yam tre ke senra juai kle shimpenta shedhem da kabashat kemen da kababut ikijing sawa jeng kijing tem jeng put bat kilara aru ikirot kedashna kerpang kibedani ki kubor kebakongsan syaki emlang saalang. Kanong rem jong ke bedin kelam kalong benbe ka kelam kijing pang bat ikijing sniu ki baharu kom haki emlang saalang. Kawehi na ki kubor lang bagi rot kadai kijing kentu ki patba bikin nong ki batik briu tip blay bani khon persyak ka kambam sabat ki bakibai. Habalara ekaden kelam hak adnar bat eka sembut kenong da ki khon raj. Ki khon kan yam trek lekni banyok ta banyok pediang ya kejing kerku kerdo. Hagani kesni kot jong beden kelam lawan bansaki do menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat kejingan lang o menteri kam jengok kai pertai kejelau ba poleng do ki MLA ki officer sarkar bat ki bekibai. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma habakran kejingelang ulai kublai beden kelam ki khon ka senra juai bat ulapan benaru bagi sarkar kelap pelat yang kepisah ba arpun reu keluar tengkah bat chen kan sakot no ekatanda na kebenta ban sedang biang yang kejingte ya kayau musiang kompleks kebelah saat teng dabon senam. Nalor kania ulo angru bagi sarkar kan sasna kejaka penyang kadi hajawai ha kejaka kebelah sengup ha daga senra jawai. Bat hadian beladap bantai ansa IT ha ka senra bagan penyat ya kani kejaka penyang kali.
And this is my third time that I am here visiting and being part of this festival, and every time I come here it becomes even more and more colorful and more beautiful, and I love the way that the people celebrate it with so much of passion and so much of involvement, and we are happy that we can always support this festival in every possible way. And as you're aware that even the infrastructure that was created out here was created by the government through the tourism department. About 6.5 crores has been spent on this. And like this, we've always believed that maintaining the cultural identity of our state and of our people is of utmost importance. So we are happy to support, and we are happy to see that our people have continued to celebrate in a very passionate manner the different cultural festivals of our state. So once again, I wish the people of our state a very happy Bedeng Festival.